Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will talk about some of the terms which are used in capital budgeting processes. For example, one of the term is payback period. This is so what is payback period? So suppose if you have an investment of $1,000 and you have a cash flow of $500, $200, and then in the end you have again $600. So how will you calculate the payback period? So payback period is amount of years, on how many years it will take to get your initial investment of $1,000 back. So this is year first, second year, and this is third year. So how will you go for it is, so you will calculate how much amount you have left in your investment. So in this case, so if you get $500 after 1 year, so your amount left from initial investment will be $500. And then for second year your investment will be $300 left, and for third year you're getting $600, so you will get $300 more than your investment. However, to calculate the payback period, what you have to do is you have to calculate this as one, this as one, and then because you are getting $600 investment, so $600 of cash flow, and you only needed 300 to get all your money back, so you will use this as half of a year. So your total payback period will be 2.5 years. Okay. Now the second definition is the discounted payback period. So this is discounted payback. So in case of discounted payback, mm, we will use the same case. Like we have $1,000 investment, and then we have 500, 200, and 300 money coming back in next 3 years. So so how will we go for it? In this case, instead of using just adding the amount of money you're getting back, we will discount it to net present value. So what is the net present value of 500? So suppose our rate of interest is 10%. So our discounted value of $500 after 1 year will be 500 divided by 1.1. And then for the second year, it will be 200 divided by 1.1 square. And for third year, it will be 300 divided by 1.1 cube. So that is the amount of, or that is the present value of your future cash flows, and then we will calculate the present value. Now please remember that if you have to compare the discounted payback period versus the regular payback period, then which would be the greater number? So because we are discounting the money to the present value, so discounted payback period will always be greater than regular payback period. So you need to remember that. So that is one of the definition which is important in capital budgeting process. And the second definition is the profitability index. So what is profitability index? So profitability index is your it's pretty easy. It's equal to your future cash flows. So present value of future cash flows divided by your current cash flow. So if you're in the same example, it would have been like this. So it's 500 divided by 1.1 plus 200 divided by 1.1 whole square plus 300 divided by 1.1 whole cube and all divided by 1000. So that will be equal to your profitability index.